I almost just got struck by lightning, guys.
Stop the cap.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's Yoshiyahu here, back with another video on the channel. Tonight, I'm going to be riding my bike during a very dangerous thunderstorm.
Stupid!
Everybody stay tuned. There are so many branches on the ground.
A few inches later.
Okay, so I'm riding my bike on the trail. It's really windy. Then I see this. There's a tree that got blown over. The power lines are all messed up too.
We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no! We got to go through it. Dive it.